Calculate cumulative sum based on threshold and condition in another column numpy. I have a data frame and I'd like to calculate cumulative sum based on two conditions. First, which is a boolean already in the table, and a fixed threshold that checks what's the cumulative sum. I've succeeded with first or second, but I find it hard to combine both. For the first one I used groupy. For the second frumpy func. My df is, and the sum sale is the result I'm looking for. So to summarize, I'd like to start cumulating the sum once that sum is over 5 and the row success is true. I'd like to avoid for loop if possible as well. Thank you for help.
I hope I've understood your question right. This example will subtract necessary value, reset, when cumulative sum of sale is greater than 5 and success equals true. Prints. Edit. Prints.
You can modify your group approach to account for both conditions by taking the cum-sum of the two conditions. Now that group accounts for both conditions, you can directly cum-sum within these pseudogroups.
If you want to see more, please come to the subscribing.